Laura from PeterGlenn.com, and this is the Jupa Isabella jacket for girls. This jacket has a cool down jacket look to it, but it's actually made with synthetic insulation. And the benefit to synthetic is that it still provides warmth when wet. So this jacket is waterproof, it's 5K waterproof, moisture's not going to come in through the outside. But when your kids are out there skiing, they actually produce a lot of body heat and sometimes even sweat. That can get into the insides of the jacket, into the insulation, and in a down insulation, it can actually cause the down to stop providing warmth. Since this is synthetic, it's going to keep her warm no matter what. This jacket is also 5K breathable, which aids in getting that excess moisture away from the body, and it keeps her dry underneath. By keeping her dry, it'll also help keep her much warmer. This jacket is great for kids because it is made with a durable rip-stop fabric. And you can actually see it when you look close, but basically that fabric is designed to resist tearing. And it has a lot of great features. This jacket has a removable hood, so she can take it off if she doesn't want to wear it. And it has this cute faux fur trim on it, which is also removable. There's also a little piece of elastic on the inside of the hood. What that does is it just helps keep the hood in place when she has it up. It's not tight, it's not going to bother her, but it'll help prevent her hood from sliding off. As far as pockets go, there are 2 on the outside. Both are zippered, so her stuff is going to stay nice and secure. And on the inside, there's 3. There is a media pocket with a headphone port, a pass pocket for her lift ticket, and also a mesh pocket for odd-shaped things like drinks or goggles. There's a powder skirt on the inside as well, and that's going to prevent snow from coming up inside the jacket. As far as sizing goes, the number of the size is designed to correspond to the child's age. It's a rough guide and it's a good place to start if you have no idea. But since every child is different, we recommend taking a couple of basic measurements like across the chest and comparing them to the size chart on our website. Thanks for watching, and check out PeterGlenn.com for all the best Jupa ski wear.